Hey you guys, and welcome back to another year of the 12 Days of Christmas. Come on in. Hello everyone, it's the 11th day of Christmas and today's video is going to be very informal. I'm going to share my most asked questions about the behind the scenes products that I use. What are my favorite products to use when decorating for Christmas as far as tools. So I'm going to share my top 3 with you and the reasons behind the why. So you see a few really interesting things presented here. First, you see a bag of command strips. That's my number 3 most used tool when I'm styling for Christmas. And I keep them. I have all different sizes. And then I rebuy the strips because it can get expensive. But I use these specifically for hanging the mantle on the garland. I connect them to command strips to show you what they look like. They come in all shapes and sizes. So I'll usually run clear ones like this across my mantle, hook the garland inside, and then I will tie something around the hook so that the garland stays in place. One tip I'll give you about the command strips, different ones are made for different things. So if you're buying command strips for outside, for example, make sure it has the little green, it'll say it usually on the bottom somewhere, sometimes on the top, this is the refill package, so I won't see it here, but it will tell you specifically if it's for indoors or outdoors. Make sure you use the outdoor command strips for outside. And the reason why that's important is because the strip allows you to deal with varying temperatures without the adhesive becoming weird. So that's why you want to do that. So that's number 3. Number 2, Garland Grabbers. I love these things. They come in a box that looks like this. Apparently right now they are out of stock on Amazon, the link that I gave you guys yesterday. But I love these because they don't scratch my banister. They have, you may not be able to see it here, but they have a little sticker inside. I actually removed this one to show it to you guys, and I left it upstairs. I'm not going back at this point, but that allows you to grip the banister very tightly, and because of that cushiony sticker that's inside, it doesn't scratch. And this part holds the garland, and it can hold a lot. Like I've put, I think up to 3 pieces of garland in here, and then when you're ready to take it out, you simply, now I'll say this, it'll snap if you pull too hard to release the garland, but to release the garland, all you need to do is push back that ball and your garland comes right out like that. I love these. Now, because they are out of stock, apparently on Amazon, one of my sweet subscribers yesterday sent a message about what she uses, which she uses cable wires on her garland on the staircase. And she said that it gives her a lot more creative control. So that's something you may want to try. They come in many different colors. So I don't use them, but I can see how she would like those. Finally, this thing right here is my best friend during the holidays. This is the Lightkeeper Pro. And what it allows me to do, especially when I'm styling so many trees, is to identify when there's a problem on the tree. So I'm going to demo this for you with the Girl Twins tree. So we're going to come in a little bit closer because it allows you to do a few things. And I pulled the Girl Twins tree is not decorated yet, so I pulled it down. Now I will say this is only for the old school lights. The Lightkeeper Pro doesn't work on LED lights. So if you have a lot of LED product, then you won't be able to use this, but I still have a lot of the old school lights. It does lots of things. It lets me identify where the problem is in the tree, as far as, you know how sometimes you'll have a whole line of lights that are out? this tree doesn't really have a great example because she doesn't have a lot of lights, but okay, here's a light that's out. I'm gonna stop to make sure you guys can see that. Okay, so I like this product because it allows me to really identify where the problem is and handle it very quickly. If you have an entire line that's out, you can actually run a wiring test. That beeping is telling me that there's electricity coming to this branch, and it stops right there. So if there were several lights on this line and it stopped right there and the entire line was lit up, I would know that this light is the problem. So now instead of having to go through every single light on the line, I can stop right here and remove this light. There we go. Now I'm gonna try to charge it. You have to do it so many times. See if that worked. Nope, it's still out. So I know that it is the light. This light, because if the light weren't a problem, that bulb would have lit up when I stuck it in there. So it's a really quick way to identify which light is a problem and repair your tree. So because I don't have any more replacement lights right now, I will stick this one back in because now I know which one it is. And then I'll go pick her up a package of lights and get that one fixed. So hopefully that was helpful for you as you prepare to deck your halls soon. Tomorrow is the last day of Christmas. I'll be giving you a final home tour. So let me know in the comments below if there's any section that maybe you saw in the background of our home that you'd like for me to cover in the home tour. And I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, love and peace.